200 megapixel camera sensor is no more a joke at this time, and definitely we have already seen this sensor in action in Moto X30 Pro. Well, now Xiaomi is also set to launch a 200 megapixel camera smartphone globally. Recently Xiaomi launched a Redmi K50 Extreme which was only for China, and that phone had 108 megapixel camera sensor. Well, now Xiaomi is all set to take this phone at global level with one major difference, and yes, that's 200 megapixel sensor. This Redmi K50 Extreme will be launched globally next month with name of Xiaomi 12T Pro. A real life image of this 12T Pro has also surfaced online where it can clearly be seen 1200 megapixel text mentioned on the camera module. Now as we can see, the design is pretty much same as of Redmi K50 Extreme, so probably rest of the design from front side would also be same. In fact, it would be a remake version of K50 Extreme. So this 200 megapixel sensor is most likely to be same as we have seen in the Moto X30 Pro, which also had 200 megapixel sensor, and it was the first ever phone to have this sensor. But just like Redmi K50 Extreme, it was also China only variant. Moto X30 Pro used Samsung's ISOCELL HP1 sensor, and there are chances that Xiaomi will also be using that same sensor, and it is 1 by 1.22 inches in size, which means just like every year, there will be a vanilla 12T variant as well. So there are rumors that rest of the specs will be same as of Redmi K50 Extreme. There will be only this 200 megapixel sensors difference. We might see a 6.67 inches 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, a massive 5000 mAh of battery with 120 watts of super fast charging. At rear side, along with 200 megapixel sensor, there will be two other 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors and a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. As for price, Xiaomi 12T can start from roughly $666 and 12T Pro from $871. That's what Xiaomi 12T Pro is going to be, and we hope to see better quality of camera with Xiaomi's software optimization than Moto X30 Pro. Subscribe to the channel is recommended, and I'll see you in the next one.